Hey, I'm Nashi from Circle. Let's see how to make a visual template. The first thing to do is the blank, making sure to include every necessary field on what I'm doing. Here it's a card. The layout is the very first thing I take care of, and I do it as precisely as possible. You may notice that I sometimes take pixel measurements to make sure everything is well centered. This is a very easy and quick step to do, as it is pretty much adding your border and your boxes where you need them. Next up is decorating the card, beginning with decorating the layout itself to give it some character that suits the theme of the game I'm doing, which is a dungeon type board game, before adding a default background that will be used with every card. This step is way longer, as it is the entire process of giving your blank a personality that is supposed to suit your game, not to mention the fact I have to put in as many details as I can. Here it is, the blank that we will be using as the base for every card. At this point you can call it quits and think it is over, using your image manipulator to add text to the right places with the right font and the right size, then moving the text to the right place and... Man, this sounds like a handful, and it doesn't look well made. Let's see how we can push the template thing to the next level, allowing us to prepare it even further, to a point we can call it a mass production ready template. While the first part can be easily done with your favorite image manipulation program, the kind of software that allows the next part is a little bit harder to find without asking. I'll provide a freeware that allows the use of the features I'm going to introduce. Although I normally use Photoshop for this part, welcome GNU Image Manipulation Program, also known as GIMP, to your list of softwares. To make an easily filled template out of a blank, I simply create text fields with a tool made for it. I create temporary default names for the text. One thing I don't do is merging the layers. Once I'm done with the text boxes, I save the file as a GIMP file, and I'll open it with GIMP whenever I need to, editing the text and all. That's providing me with a quick and easy way to simply change the text and make every card. There it is, you've created your visual template. Now you have a perfect template to make everything for your game as fast as you can. That was Nashi from Circle. Hope you found that video useful.